Committee on Travel Unity CoTU has cautioned Chief Minister BIREN against entering Kuki-Zo-dominated areas, labelling any such move as provocative and potentially dangerous. The warning has been issued ahead of his scheduled visit to Senapati district on October 30th. President of CoTU, Lanmilun Singsit, strongly opposed his visit to Senapati district on October 30 to attend Liangmai Changangi 2024 at Marinmai village, located near the Strif-Riven Kangpokpi district. He described the Chief Minister's planned route through Kuki-Zo areas as a deliberate act that could inflame volatile relations, accusing him of previously fueling hostilities and calling any attempt to trespass into their regions a threat to their community. He further stated that Chief Minister's presence in the area is not welcome, asserting that it represents an escalation of political interference in Kuki-Zo territories. He emphasized that Chief Minister BIREN's actions have left the Kuki-Zo community deeply distrustful of his motives, with lingering accusation of the state's complicity in violence against the Kuki-Zo people. He also urged the central government to advise the Manipur Chief Minister to avoid trespassing through Kuki-Zo-dominated areas en route to his visit to Senapati. He reiterated that if Chief Minister intentionally and forcefully trespasses into Kuki-Zo areas, any untoward incidents arising from it will be the sole responsibility of the state government.
The proposed visit by the State Chief Minister BIREN Singh at Senapati, the Committee on Tribal Unity appealed the central government to advise the state government, especially the Chief Minister BIREN Singh, not to trespass the Kuki-Zo dominated areas, especially the Kangpokpi district, in order to avoid any untoward incidents arise during the proposed visit of this Senapati will be so responsible for the state government. We appeal the central government to acknowledge and to have a sympathy regarding the sentiments of the Kuki-Zo communities with the long 1 year and 7 months atrocities and the problems and the grievances faced by the Kuki-Zo communities.